Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to choose who can see your Facebook text story on PC with the new update. Facebook now allows you to control who views your text stories, so let's walk through the steps to help you customize your audience. Ready? Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer. Once you're logged in, go to your homepage where you'll see the option to create a story. Click on Create a Story to begin. Next, select Create a Text Story. This option lets you share a simple text-based story with your friends and followers. Now, you'll see a text box on the left side of the screen. This is where you can type your message or update. Feel free to write whatever you want to share. Don't forget to choose a font style that fits your message. Once your text is ready, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the small gear icon. This will open your settings, where you can decide who can view your story. Click on Custom to customize your audience. From here, you can select specific friends or groups who you want to see your text story. It's a great way to keep things private or share with just a few people. After you've chosen who will see your story, click Save to apply your settings. Finally, click on Share to Story to post your text story to your Facebook feed. And that's it. Now you've successfully shared a text story on Facebook with a custom audience. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most out of your social media experience.